Hey, this is track 6, Cat Adapter, for the album Sad Dream. I don't know what I'm doing with this one either, so I'll do what I can. There's an F sharp minor, that is. What a beautiful chord. Anyway, here we go. Don't plug me in to the cat adapter. It's only there to adapt the cat. Don't mind the dust coming down from the rafters and the nails poking up from these slats. Honey was the cat, honey was the cat. Honey was a cat, 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 honey was a mind those nails coming up from the floor. Turn off the light so the cat, he can rest. I'm tired and wide and I'm pining for dinner. If you get lost, just do what seems best. Honey was a cat, 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 honey was a cat. Honey was a cat, 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 honey was a. Don't plug me in. It's only there for the cat. From the slabs. Honey was a cat, 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 honey was a cat.